Good morning, children. I welcome you all to your maths class, and today the chapter we are going to study is data handling. Children, before starting the chapter, I want to introduce few terms to you. As the name suggests, data handling. First of all, we should know what is a data. Any information that is collected in numbers, any information that we have about measurements, or any information that we collect about objects is called as data. I'll give you one example. For example, you are having a birthday party at your home and you want to offer some eatables to your friends like pizza, burger, sandwich and momos. And you wanted to know how many of your friends wanted pizza, how many of them want burger, how many of them want sandwich, and how many of them want momos. So you are collecting the data about the eatables that you are going to offer in your birthday party in the form of numbers. So when the data collected is in the form of numbers and we represent the data, we collect the data and we represent the data in the form of numbers, we call it as data handling. Second example that you see on your screens is the teacher in the class has collected the data about the height of the children. The name of the children are given and their heights is also given. So this data is about the measurement. Measurement of what? Measurement of the heights of the children in the class. So here the teacher has collected the data and she has represented this data in the form of numbers. It is called as data handling. Or sometimes we can represent the data in the form of pictures also. So representation of data in the form of numbers, in the form of pictures is called as data handling. Sometimes we represent the data in the form of table also. The vertical lines that you see on your screens, these lines are called as tallies. What are tallies? Tallies are the vertical lines that are used for a particular number. These tallies help us to compile the data easily and saves our time. Or we can represent the information in the form of pictures also. As you see on your screens, this information is about the number of absentees in a class during the previous week. So here the information is not written in numbers, but it is shown in the form of pictures. So this representation of data in the form of pictures is known as pictograph. We not only show data with the help of numbers or pictures, sometimes we show the data with the help of graphs also. Showing the data in the form of graph is known as bar graph. This type of data, which is shown in the form of bars, is known as bar graph. Or sometimes we can show or we can represent the data in a form of chart. So the data which is collected in numbers, when this data is gathered and recorded in the form of pictures, in the form of numbers, in the form of tables, we call it as data handling.